In primetime news this evening, more drama in the PNP. Norman Horn holds on to Senate seat. So where does that leave Peter Bunting? Christmas cancelled. Montego Bay mayor adamant no grand market will be allowed in the western city. And COVID cost. Jamaica pays millions for new vaccine, but not many stand to benefit as yet. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your experience shopping for vegetables and ground provision recently?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.